How to delete emojis in Discord. Need to clean up your emoji collection and remove old or unused emojis? Deleting emojis is quick and easy. I will show you how. Let's get started. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in. Now, open your Discord server. Go to the server where the emoji you want to delete is located. Click your server name at the top left corner, select server settings, then click emoji in the left sidebar. Scroll through your emoji list to locate the one you want to remove. Next to the emoji, click the cross icon. Discord may ask if you are sure, confirm to delete the emoji permanently. And that's how you delete emojis on Discord. Keep your emoji list fresh and relevant. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.